Welcome to Crack a Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Dominaria United. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Gaia's Might, followed by Thrill of Possibility, Florfanius Vine Wall, Furious Bellow, Vanquisher's Axe, Haunting Figment, Bone Splinters, Argivian Phalanx, Tribute to Urbog, Juniper Order Rootweaver, Mossbeard Ancient, Love Song of Night and Day, Djinn of the Fountain. Then we have a showcase art, Squee Dubious Monarch, which for 2 and a red is a 2/2 legendary goblin noble with haste. And when Squee Dubious Monarch attacks, create a 1/1 red goblin creature token that's tapped and attacking. You may cast Squee Dubious Monarch from your graveyard by paying 3 and a red and exiling 4 other cards from your graveyard rather than paying its mana cost. So Squee is back. The running theme of Squee is being able to cast them from your graveyard or from outside of play in different ways, and this continues that. It's funny, but it's also a pretty cool goblin commander, giving you easy access to goblin tokens. Just by having Squee attack, you get a 1/1 that's attacking with him, and that token doesn't go away at the end of the turn like a lot of other creatures with that similar kind of effect would do. Now, it is only a 2/2 for a total of 3 mana, but it's a 2/2 with haste that's creating tokens and has ways of getting it out of the graveyard. So it's a pretty good cost, and if you do use this as your commander, if this dies and would go to the graveyard, absolutely let it go to the graveyard rather than putting it back in the command zone and having the commander tax roll up, because that cost of 3 in a red is going to be a lot less than whatever commander tax you can add on to this. If it would be exiled, yes, absolutely get back to the command zone, but anytime that it goes to the graveyard, let it stay there. That's going to be better for you for your mana long term. And if you see your opponent with a Squee, find a way to exile it, find a way to get it away from the graveyard so that they can't take advantage of that 3 in a red to bring it back. You want to make them take it back to the command zone if it's their commander, or get it away from the graveyard and the battlefield, if at all possible, if it's anywhere else in their deck. And our land is a Plains, and we have a Phyrexian token to round out the pack. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.